Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. The stock market has been trading in a massive pennant pattern for the past several years. Now, why we want to take note of this is really because as of current, with prices right now, we are butting up against the top of this pattern. Now, traditionally, the top of this pattern is going to serve as very strong resistance. Now, combine that with the fact that on a weekly basis, I'm going to show you here in a minute, the run up here is matching what the stock market typically encounters for an upcycle. But before I turn to the weekly charts, note that the monthly current price right now, if you look at the upper yellow portion of our current price bar for the month of January, you can see that we're trading in the moderately overvalued valuation zone, and that's communicated by the yellow coloration bar segment. You can see my pointer right here pointing to this tiny yellow bar segment of the current price bar. Most of the price bar is green, and that represents fair value, and this is a tool we call value bars. But this is noteworthy that we're not only meeting this resistance level, which is the upper boundary of the pennant pattern, but we are also trading in moderately overvalued on a monthly basis. Now, drilling down to a weekly chart, what's interesting here is if you go down to the MQ Strength Index down here, in fact, I'm going to go ahead and compress my price bars a little bit here, we can see that a lot of the historical 10-week run-ups have run right around 157 points. Now, some have gone beyond that historically, but a few of them have stopped right there, and that's exactly where we are right now. The peak as of last week was at 159 points. So combining that with moderately overvalued on a weekly basis, moderately overvalued on a monthly basis, the fact that we've run essentially our course here with the average 10-week run-up on a weekly basis, and then the fact that we're butting up against the upper boundary of this pennant pattern could present a very attractive low-risk shorting opportunity. I'm actually going to be looking at the S&P 500 today and looking for potential low-risk shorts. Now, the one caveat here is if we do see a breakout above this, that could really indicate that the stock market may have a long ways to go on the upside, or at least near term, it could show some strength there. So be mindful of that. And the way you want to play this type of trade or attack this type of trade is using the boundary as placing your buy stop directly above the boundary, and therefore having a line in the sand where you can say uncle and you'll know you're wrong on the trade. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is very noteworthy when this happens, and you can see that this pennant pattern goes back for several years. So most price action is not trading right on the border of it, but we are right now, and that is noteworthy, and that could represent an attractive shorting opportunity. We'll continue to watch this. Good luck trading. Thanks for watching.